Today, I want to share with you some secrets to boosting your mental health naturally. It's so important to take care of our minds just as we do our bodies. One great way to improve mental health is to incorporate mindfulness practices into your daily routine. Taking a few minutes each day to meditate or simply focus on your breath can do wonders for your mental well-being. Getting outside and connecting with nature is another powerful way to boost your mental health. Being surrounded by greenery and fresh air can help reduce stress and anxiety. Eating a balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can also have a positive impact on your mental health. Fueling your body with nutritious foods can help improve your mood and overall well-being. And lastly, incorporating regular exercise into your routine is key to boosting your mental health. Whether it's yoga, running, or dancing, moving your body can help release endorphins and improve your overall mood. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Try incorporating some of these natural remedies into your daily life and see the positive effects it can have on your well-being. Take care and be well. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos that aim to help you live healthy longer.